BlameLukeTV official laptop.
500 subs! 500 subs! Happy time! Guys, we love you!
Fireworks.
Oh, you thought BlameLukeTV forgot how to shoot?
Marlin 22, Romanian AK wood stock, Marlin 30-30, Remington AK-47 Magnum shotgun, Browning Silver Stalker, the AR,
Glock 22 Gen 4, Kimber Ultra-Carry 45, Smith & Wesson 22 Magnum revolver, the Ruger 9mm, the XD 45 with lawman rounds. Alright, this is the tannerite catalyst, zirconium based. Only one leveled scoop, because if you do more it's not going to be as big as a explosion.
But we're gonna do 10 anyway.
that's about level, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So is it shake and bake?
Mixed really, really well until you don't see any white, or it won't work. Oh, also it will not explode, they say, with anything smaller than a 223, so 22 can't do it.
Pour it back into the container. Alright, yeah.
Where's that hard drive?
That was bigger than I thought it was going to be. Where's the hard drive?
Dude, that's the casing. What? And see, the camera should have got that.
I'm giving it torch right now, we'll come out. Wow.
Could have been your neck.
Ready?
Outlook not so good.
It went way down there.
Way out there.
It's like embedded in it. It's that white
Bloody
stuff.
8-ball juice.
Is that the cube?
Yeah, and look, there's the screen right there in the middle.
In case you're ever wondering what the inside of a magic 8-ball looked like.
This thing is pretty solid.
Concussion, man. You got one more?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? That was over the trees.
22 Fury! Luke, look at the end of your barrel.
You're right. Way to go, guys.
45 dual wheel.
Double dual wheel.
Wow, I felt that.
Yeah, I felt that in my chest.
That was a pound.
1 pound. Now you know it's gonna fall this way. I'm just saying when it starts breaking. All right.